Hey guys, today I'll show you a new way to clear all liked videos on your YouTube account at once. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Now, the first method is to remove likes from the videos manually, which is actually slow, but let me show you how to do it. Now, the second method is to request for all your likes on the videos to be removed at once for you. As you can see, our request was sent successfully and all our liked videos will be cleared after 48 hours. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.